So any channel, the main option is called YouTube monetization. What is the criteria and what is the issues? What are the rules? Any YouTube channel, if you're creating, suppose if that channel will be creating for video purpose or you're promoting business purpose. First of all, looking for earnings. Suppose you're a very good content writer, you're a good author, you're a good blogger also. So we are to creating some videos. How you can approaching for audience? So how we increasing for earnings for the particular audience? The first of all, monetization will be two things. The channel will be getting for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hour of views. This is the first criteria. The channel will need required for the 4,000 hour of views and 1,000 subscribers required. So you got for 999 also, your earning will be not optimized. Exactly you need by 1,000 subscribers. And some people asking one question. I got 1,000 subscribers. My views will be only 3,000 hour of views. Earning will be monetization. Not possible. Is a not possible. There's your CMS holder or AdSense holder. Any holder, the compulsory required 4,000 hour of views. That mean by 2,40,000 minute of views within 12 months time and 1,000 subscribers. Lot of people is lot of confused call. I get 1,000 subscribers. I'm not earning money from that. Your video will be not much of views. Some people is considered by the view will be considered, minute will be considered. They consider by the minutes, not for the views. Suppose you got by 5,000 views, but what is saying for 4,000 hours, not for the views. They are not asking for 4,000 views. They are asking for 4,000 hour of views. That mean by the calculated earning will be minutes. That will be 2,40,000 minutes. They will be checked for where analytics part. They check for analytics part. Some people asking one question is a rare people asking for this question. So only one video consider, all video consider. Your total channel video consider. If is one video considered, nobody earning money from YouTube. Less people earning money from YouTube. Total videos, you'll get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hour of views. That mean by the calculated by the minutes, not for the consider view. Only considered by hours and minutes, not for the views. This is an important interview question for the YouTube marketing. Now, this is a finalize. You are enabled by your option. So you will be 3,000 subscribers, 4,000, 10,000 subscribers will be okay. Next option. What is mean by monetization? Monetization means any play will be video. They will show the customer will be different ads. I'll go with incognito window. I am open for the same as a login. It's not a good for the anyone. So here will be showing for in this. This video will autoplay. So ad will be not show the customers. We'll go for manual play. In this one, they show you certain ads. What the ad will be nothing but you will be promoting for your particular option. There's a skip ad and a display ad. The monetization you are earning money from that total will be 5 types. Here will be sponsor cards. In this we can show your ad and your skip ad, non-skippable, overlay ads and display ad. In this default one, display always default. If you're watching these views, if we go in number of minutes, I'll go in number of minutes. Display will be changed. Here, another one ad will be overlay ads. First we'll showing for skip, is non-skippable, overlay, display and a sponsor card. The sponsor card I will showing for in this option is a rare. The common ad will be 4 will be common, overlay, display, non-skippable, skippable. The ad will be skip, nothing but more than 6 seconds. The ad will be non-skippable, less than 6 seconds. More than 5 seconds, less than 5 seconds. We'll consider 6 seconds. We can up to video will be give the 5 seconds. Which one? Non-skippable video ads. If you need skip the video, we'll go for more than 5 minutes or 5 seconds or 6 seconds. Now, where you can decide the ads. Go to your channel. We can go to the classic version. This all will be beginner guidelines. Expert, everyone you can do that. YouTube person, everyone know about this one. This video, any beginner, what is the know about the monetization? What is the criteria? What is the main thing? So I'm starting new channel. I'm looking that and day one I'm earning the money from that. No, not like that. They consider by the hours and the subscriber, minute and subscribers. Always keep it in mind. View is not considered. Your hours and minutes will be considered. Subscribe will be considered. And any kind of earning from your YouTube channel, there will be two things: monetization, display, overlay, sponsored card, skippable and non-skippable. Skippable and non-skippable. Next thing here, ad breaks. Next your ad breaks. That mean by when the ad will be played the customer the particular video, they will be decided by more than 10 minutes videos. So this will be ad break ads. So you want earning for more than video earning, that is only for more than 10 minutes video, we can create the ad break ads. More than 10 minutes videos. Less than 10 minutes. If you are creating for less than 10 minutes, go back. Now I'm showing for more than 10 minutes. Why? This video will be 18 minutes. Now I can go for yes. How many minutes? 28. How many minutes? 5 minutes. Open it. Is it clear? Now where you can go for monetization. Any ad breaks are there? By it less than 10 minutes. 9 minutes, 59 seconds also not accepted. Exact 10 minutes compulsory need. 10 minutes, 1 second accepted. Less than 10 minutes, they can't accept the manual ads. So which is the monetization earning for more than 10 minutes video. And here one more important key point is there. So my video will be more than 10 minutes, but my getting less than earning. That mean by watch minute will be very less. Some people asking this question also. That mean by I'm earning money from that 10 minutes video very high. Sir will be say. So some YouTube will be say that my earning will be very less. That mean by watch minutes are required. So you upload by 10 minutes. Within 1 minute they can understand your video. So they will be gone out. How much video will be waiting? Only for 1 minute. People watching for 100 members. How many minutes they are watching for? 100 minutes. Total will be how many? 10 minutes. 100 to 100. How many people will have to watch? They are getting only for 100 minutes. More than 1,000, 10,000 views, they get only for 100 views. So view will be also consider your particular earning money from particular video. Video 10 minutes is earning more and nothing but not like that. The view as a minute is count and your earning will be count. Watch minutes is earning for more on your LinkedIn in the YouTube channel. Is it clear? So that is called, first of all, view of minute is important and the particular YouTube video to earning for more money. Is it clear? First of all, enable monetization purpose, 4,000 hour of views and 1,000 subscribers. Here, if increase the more earnings, more than 10 minutes, we can give the manual ads. Based on the minute watching, you're getting for more revenue. The view is not convert into earnings. The minutes of watching convert into your earnings. For enable monetization and video earnings also, they count by minutes of earnings. Is always keep it in mind. And one more option is very, very key point for your YouTube channel. Suppose you are using any kind of copyright video on your channel. You get strike. Will be two type of strike for copyright. One is called on-time video will be deleted. On-time video was deleted. Second option, file dispute option. Your video will be there in YouTube channel. You will getting views. NA will be transferred for the primary channel holder. So you always check. The monetization visible by everything will be like this. Is it clear? This always keep it on mind about the monetization. The any earnings, any monetization will be watched for hours and minutes, not considered by the views. I got 4,000 hour views, no one getting. The getting for subscribe also required. I get 4,000 views, they require hours and subscribers. And you are getting for 10 minutes video, they're watching for how many minutes, based on earning will be added in your account. This is a criteria for YouTube monetization. So when we have to increase your earnings based on your portfolio increase and add your number of content on your particular channel. First, you can express the proper one to enable increase your earnings on YouTube channel. This is your option. Every channel views and check for in this option. Each channel. So what I'm saying, for how many views will getting for 60 views. I'm checking for this one, where you can go for analytics option. Go to new analytics and check the particular video one. How many views? 58. Watch time 2 hours. Why is that 8 minutes? Subscribers in this video, we got 0 subscribers. Estimated revenue 0.03. When? In this. Go to total February. We can check the particular video monetization also. This all will be here. How much reach, engagement, and your audience. This is your average view duration. 1 minute 57 seconds for watch time will be in this clear. Reach 800 impressions, 4.5 percentage, 60 views. Unique views will be 42. Total views will be 60. Unique nothing but they come back your video, watch the video will be how many? 42. These are the compulsory you have to know about the complete YouTube channel monetization and video monetization.